In the pursuit of perfect hair, many men unknowingly subject themselves to a silent danger in their hairstyling products. Did you know that the average hairstyling product contains a cocktail of harmful chemicals? These substances can lead to hair thinning, scalp irritation, and even long-term health issues. It's time to open our eyes to the risks we've been taking. So let's dive deeper into the toxic ingredients commonly found in mainstream hairstyling products. Ingredients like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances are widely recognized for their harmful effects, yet they are still present in men's hair products. This is where Morrocco method steps in, providing a natural sanctuary for your or your loved one's hair and overall health. Our products, featuring aloe vera, nourishing shea butter, and invigorating tea tree oil, are free from harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances. Natural ingredients can restore your hair's health and radiance. It's not just hairstyling, it's a holistic hair care experience, free from toxins and full of life. Say goodbye to hair loss, hair thinning, and chemical nightmares, and hello to the natural awakening your hair deserves. Visit our website to explore our range of natural hairstyling products, and don't forget to check out our dedicated men's line. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more information content on hair care and wellness.